Hey there everyone, George here. Hope you're well. You might remember there a video or three ago I was showing you the Bower and Wilkins speakers I got, which unfortunately were DOA. So I do have a plan for them, but as I explained in that video, I wanted something for the bench that I didn't have to be plugging out my main speakers every time I wanted to test something. So we got these. Picked these up today for the princely sum of €20 or something like that, €15 or whatever it was. These are a pair of Pioneer S-Z73s, 100 watts it says. I wouldn't like to try them at 100 watts. I don't think they'd handle. Maybe 100 watts peak, but I couldn't see them handling 100 watts or a mess. They're not bad. They're in reasonable shape. The cones are perfect. I did get to test these before I handed over my money this time, and everything is in good order. So I'm quite pleased with them. So I'm going to have a bit of a rejig here now on the bench. So the idea is that I'll have a monitor speaker each side, and I'll build a bit of a shelving system around it. These are going out of here. I'm going to put them somewhere else, and all these other I have a load of these. I must have 100 of those, and I have another box up there that a friend of the missus was in Little Raleigh or somewhere, or some place like that, and she seen them and she just brought them because she knows I use them. So that was quite nice. So yeah, quite pleased with that, and they do work. I ran a few speaker test didgeridoos that I found on YouTube there, and they test the low end and the high end and the tweeters, and that the crossover is working and everything checks out fine. And these are 8 ohm as well, which is good. I took the grills off because it gets a little damp out here sometimes, so if you have grills left on the speakers they tend to go mouldy. I took the grills off them as well. Plus I prefer the look of the speakers with the grills off anyway. So there you have it. So let's see, some royalty-free music here. I'll put the link to the description in the description of this video. So can't go too loud now, it's late. So it's safe to say that all is good with those, and unfortunately, as I said, it's late, so I can't crank them up. But we'll do that some other day. But they sound quite decent there, from what I hear. And given the test videos I ran, we're pumping out 40 hertz test tone at -3 dB and stepped up then to 0, and it really rattled the shit out of them, and they seem to handle it fairly well. So they're going to be all right for what I want to use them for anyway. So there you go. Okay, so we'll get you again in the next video, and everybody take care. This is George, EI7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.